Hi boys and girls, today you talked about writing new endings for a story. So on your own, what you're going to do is you are going to find a book you enjoy with characters that you know, and you are going to think about how you can change the ending to that story. For example, if you pick a fairy tale like Cinderella, and at the end of Cinderella, she rides off with a prince and lives happily ever after. How could you change that ending of the story to be different? Would Cinderella ride off with the prince? Or would the shoe not fit and someone else gets to ride off with the prince? You get to decide. So in your reader's notebook, you are going to do just that. You're going to pick a book, and on the top part of your page, you are going to draw a picture of your story and the new ending you are going to come up with. And at the bottom, you are going to write about what that new ending is. Can't wait to see what you come up with.